sin deseo. De otros su sitio de visión borrosa, flotadores, la
To today's vlog. I recently took a fall. Yesterday morning we went to go get breakfast and we came back home and it was raining, and my smart self decided that I can apparently walk on mud, and I was wrong. Very quickly I was proven wrong and took a really bad fall, and I think I bruised my, yeah, you can kind of see it. I bruised my wrist, and my neck feels a little bit inflamed, but I'm okay. I've basically been resting the past like 2 days or day and a half because I've been sleeping most of the time because I hit my head pretty hard, but I'm okay. I'm just a little bummed out because I wanted to go to the gym tomorrow and actually wanted to go to Countdown last night, but we didn't go. So here we are, instead restarting a new month. So I wrote out my January calendar, wrote out my to-do list for tomorrow that I want to get done, and basically have an outline of what the week should look like, so I should be fine. And then my hubby, some café de olla, he made iced café de olla for me, so I'm enjoying that right now. But yeah, so welcome to today's video. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but welcome, and let's have fun with it. I already did my hair with the wrap, but I'm gonna wash my body real quick because my dad decided to drop by, so let's do that real fast. Okay, ahí dale, velo. Good morning. I just got back from the gym and I'm getting some editing done at the moment, but I just wanted to hop in and say hello because this week we are getting ready to go to Texas. We're gonna do a little road trip to Texas this weekend, and I don't know how the hell we're gonna do it because it's apparently 20 hours. But you already know I'm bringing you along with me. We're going together. We're going on a little trip in our favorite rocket ship called the Kia, which is why I was prepping in this whole video. Like, I just want to make sure that when we head out, our place is clean. We don't have to worry about having to clean when we come back. Speaking of, I have to empty out my fridge or have my mom take some food or something because I don't want the stuff to go bad in there while we're gone. I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of excited to go because I've never been to Texas, and I'm actually going to go out there with my hubby to go meet up with my suegra and our family, or his side of the family. We're going to go spend time with them out there, and apparently we're going to go shooting. We're gonna go to a range and go shooting. I've never done that before, so prepare for the vlogs because we're definitely gonna do that. I also wanted to talk about a little bit of like how I get up in the morning, or just a quick little tip of how I get up in the mornings. And honestly, the best tip I can give you is go to bed early. Like last night, we went to bed at 8 a.m. No, we went to 8 a.m. We went to bed at 8 p.m. It's funny because we went to bed early, but I woke up in the middle of the night and I was like, oh, it's probably like 2 in the morning or like 3 in the morning. No, baby girl, it was 10 p.m. I felt like I got my full 8 hours of sleep. I don't know how, but I went back to sleep and I got up this morning and I was very energized. I was very excited. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you today's workout and it's coming up right now. Tip I can give you: go to bed early. I know that it sounds like, oh, like that's lame or whatever, because even my dad makes fun of me. He's always like, oh, pareces viejita, you go to bed at like 9:30, you act like an old lady. I'm like, it's not that I'm old, it's just that I have goals and I want to get up early so that I can go with my hubby so that we can keep each other accountable. Because I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why, but some people are pressed about the fact that I'm up so early. Like, and even though it's funny because this week marks a complete month of being at the gym, and like I said, we've only been doing 1 to 2 days a week. Like last week we only did 1 because obviously I fell. Then this week I'm aiming for 2, so tomorrow morning we're gonna do another 4 a.m. workout because we're gonna get these. We're staying on track, honey. We're staying on track. At least I'm happy I went today and I got a workout in. And even though I'm not gonna lie, like even the core workouts that I did, they kind of hurt because I had to hold the ball and the ball was kind of heavy. So just holding onto the ball, like these 3 fingers are the only ones that it's kind of like difficult to like put pressure on them. But these I can do everything with these. But these I can barely put any pressure on them. So that's pretty much today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one, because in the next one we're gonna be in Texas. Alrighty, pues, love you guys, bye.